So quick update, I got out of MicroStrategy earlier today, and then Powell's speech just made the market pump up. I should have held it, but I wanted to take profit when I saw it. So Bitcoin rushed up a bit to what, 17,100 and something. I'll take it. So what I'm thinking is it could turn around. I think this little rally could turn around. So I'm just going to trade out of my remaining positions, which are right here, and they're losing positions actually, but we're still at roughly 98,000. I'm okay with that. This is a bet that things are going to go down a bit more. I'm just going to sell out of those positions right now. So I'll get out of Digihost, 500 market preview order. So that's it. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to be selling out of these positions. So I will be flat. Sell. There we go. So I'll sell out of the rest of them. And tomorrow's a new day. Now I just wait to see if I get a better opportunity to try to make up for some of these losses. My MicroStrategy was a winner, but again, I'm trying to get to 98,000 here, and I just have a sneaky feeling that that Bitcoin's going to go down. I hope I'm wrong in a way. All right, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when my next video comes out.